Morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
An email from Time World Development Corporation. They said that they agree on the 2.5 billion pesos worth of project on constructing mall along Bangkok. This mall will soon be called Philippines Finest, wherein we offer a lot of items and products that are locally produced in the Philippines. In return, Time World Development Corporation will put up a store here in the Philippines, which will be called A Taste of Thai, where they also sell a lot of Thai products from exotic delicacies to furnitures. This partnership will also boost further both countries what they are proud of and creating a market not only here in the Philippines and Thailand but in greater Southeast Asia. This would definitely be a win-win situation for us and Thai.
Pardon, Mr. President, we need someone to finalize the deal.
Oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys that I select Mr. Parungaw and Mr. Manalo, whom I trusted the most in terms of diplomatic relations, especially in abroad. The company will shoulder all the expenses from going there to Thailand and returning back to the Philippines.
Alam mo, talagang gawa.
Nakabahan nga ako eh.
Magabahan, parang Pilipino lang yun. Pero ang gagawin mo lang, umama ka ng puno nila. Huwag ka manunuro.
Saan ka nalaman yung mga yun?
Tunong kayo sa bilik namin nung college ako eh. Yan na siya.
Hindi na lang.
Ikaw,
Mahilig pa naman ako magturo.
ano yun, bawal yun.
Let's go inside.
Yung diploma sabi kasi siya,
Mga Pilipin, di kepen yang tig, suka kepen, keho ka. Si Jepen, Paul Manalo, Blase Pen, Clive Parungaw.
Ikanti tikadwang ay hindi tiyang pag kun siyang chanten San David. Leia ni Ben Jesnor.
Peace to see you too. Kora Sira Malls in the Philippines, Laya Thailand Pia. Prates kaya, tau kunun kau, Loki Pia Sarang Pilipiyang Sang Sira Philippines like Thailand.
Klawati Real, Ti Sing Piang Saman. Man kun Leia Pi, Tisud Kadgar Shinki Itam. Nuhemos Nasa Karitay, Yao King Kamlan Leia Pi, Yang Shang Thailand Stores, Tinini Shang Kun, Philippines.
Kasya Tenan, Krung Kapia, Srang Thai Thai Store. Tamola La Suning Ping in Makati, Lais Ayala.
Di Macau, Puponan ni Thailand Kapiang. Philippines Piang Ren Tom Kornkar Team. Nung ni si Sheng Pi. And also Rhea P. Per Meo Rhea Din P. Philippines. Finest Captain ni Micha Sir Finest Sam P.
Kaya ka man, sa si Piang, Trakanti, Kung si Jan, si John, si Rakwang, si Kun, si Chito, si.
Ni R. Rai, Rhea Pen Yindi, Piang ni Tisod, Pig ni Hising. Fim Tangkar Kun di Tisod ni Kashang Kun Pate.
This deal is closed. I think we have to put it in action.